Chz in a real sense faces obstruction at 20 cents in a very huge manner. Chz in a real sense acquired roughly 3.12% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Chz United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week acquiring 9.79% in a by and large significant manner. 04 November 2023. In this article we will basically walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly sort of sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What certainly is especially momentary cost expectation for Chilliz really is Chz an especially wise interest in a sort of huge manner. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth in a really significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Chz specialized examination, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888, which sort of is genuinely critical. The really all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $32,247,487,270, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%. So market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,295,563,241,888, or so they especially thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time period, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 0.19 and as of now exchanging at 61 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically shows that however prior to jumping essentially profound into the Chz specialized examination, especially let us in a real sense discuss the really current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market generally is going in a kind of descending course for sort of present moment, which all things considered is genuinely critical. As of now, a very broad most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they fundamentally thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers certainly become basically more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly shows that also, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense shows that however prior to plunging certainly profound into the Chz specialized examination, for the most part allowed us really to discuss the truly current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move genuinely dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Which sort of shows that the truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $32,247,487,270, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, Chz, truly is at $0.072, up 3.12% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and in a real sense has a value change of 9.79% throughout the week. showing how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.19 and presently exchanging at 61 cents in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 49,841,106.00 United States dollars, while truly absolute market cap came to 541,315,003 United States dollars, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. There certainly are practically 7,565,079,839 essentially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in a by and large significant manner. Chilliz value examination Chz cost examination for 04 November 2023, inside an especially everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath, which fundamentally shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending course for sort of present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Chilliz, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking in a real sense. The in every practical sense, relative strength file, RSI, for Chz coin sort of is at present drifting at 28 for 14 days sort of normal line, which explicitly implies Chz truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern all things considered, inversion in a real sense is conceivable. Showing how Chilliz value examination Chz cost examination for 04 November 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time span, fundamentally made sense of beneath, which for the most part shows that these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market especially is going in a descending bearing for present moment, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Chilliz in every practical sense has generally break all its basically upholds levels, and things truly are not looking most certainly really great for the crypto market, exhibiting how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 9.79% in a kind of significant manner. Presently, sort of bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Chz cost underneath the essential help level of 17 cents, exhibiting how Chz generally acquired roughly 3.12% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. The Chz United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, explicitly is demonstrating a present moment in every way that really matters, sell truly signal, as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath truly signal line which, for the most part implies especially bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. So which basically brought about Bitcoin's